name is Samath. Today I'm going to teach you how to use verb to be. Okay, so we know that verb to be we have am, is, are in present simple, was, were in past simple, and been in past participle. Okay, so today I am going to raise 7 rules of using verb to be. Okay, so first we go to the first rule, be plus adjective. So we know that adjective can use with verb to be. Okay, so an example here, it is hot, it is nice, it is black. So hot, nice, black are the example of adjective. So again, adjective we use with verb to be. Okay, so here verb to be is. Okay, rule number 2, be plus noun or noun phrase. Okay, so verb to be can use with noun or noun phrase. Okay, so look at the example here. He is a teacher. So a teacher is noun. Okay, he is a good chef. So a good chef is the noun phrase. Okay, so in this rule number 2, noun or noun phrase can use with verb to be. Rule number 3, be plus prepositional phrase. Okay, so we know already that the word of preposition like on, in, at, under, above. Okay, so on and so forth. So prepositional phrase can use with verb to be. So look at the example here. We were at school yesterday. Okay, so at school is prepositional phrase, and we have verb to be were because that is in past tense, because we have an expression yesterday. So again, prepositional phrase can use with verb to be. Okay, rule number 4, be plus verb ing, or you can say be plus verb with. So that is called continuous form. Okay, continuous form. Look at example here. I am studying now. So studying is verb ing, okay, and we use with verb to be am. So I am studying now. So in this case, when verb to be used with verb ing, you call it continuous form. Okay. So rule number 5, be plus verb 3. So verb 3, we know that that is verb past participle. So when be plus verb past participle, you call it passive voice. Okay, so in this case it's called passive voice. Okay, so look at the example here. She was promoted as manager last month. She was promoted as manager last month. Okay, so the word promoted is the word past participle of promote. Okay, so verb to be was, because we have time expression last month. So in this case, you call it passive voice. Again, when verb to be used with verb past participle, or you can say verb to be plus verb 3, that is passive voice. Okay, so move to rule number 6, be plus to infinitive. Okay, be plus to infinitive. So in this case, when we use verb to be plus to infinitive, we use it to express about the future plan arrangement. It sounds like we going to. Okay, so let's read the example here. Bob is to visit Thailand next month. Okay, so visit is infinitive. And in this case, we use verb to be is because Bob is the third person, okay, that we are going to talk about. So Bob is to visit Thailand next month. Okay. So again, when we use verb to be plus to infinitive, in this case, we want to express about future plan arrangement. Okay. So the last rule, be plus about plus to do something. Be plus about plus to do something. So in this case, it's the structure of verb to be, and we use it to express about something is going to happen very soon. Okay, to express something is going to happen very soon. Okay, so let's read the example here. It is about to rain. So when you say it is about to rain, it means that it is going to rain very soon. Okay, one more example. I am about to finish my lesson. Okay, so yeah, that's all I'm going to explain all the 7 points. And I am about to finish the lesson. Okay, so I want to express that something is going to happen very soon. So that's all for my grammar lesson. Thank you very much. See you next time.